everyone, this is TecX, and today we're gonna unbox a new stuff which you must like because this product is valuable under a valuable amount. So don't miss this video, watch till end. So here's the box. You can see I ordered 2 days ago by Flipkart, and it delivered at my address without any trouble. So you can see it tightly packed. So let's open this box without any delay. So I'm unboxing this. This is my scissor. I don't have any professional kit, maybe in future. So let's open and let's check out our first box. So yeah, this is covered with plastic, which is good, it's protected. So I opened this and you can see this box, really cool. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so yeah, this is a receipt. So we will keep this aside and box also. I will remove this plastic out and take out our special stuff. So you can read this: rock and roll E5 earphones with mic. So you can see here HD stereo sound, lossless audio, super solid bass, powerful diverse, ergonomic design and snug fit. So you can see down here 1 year warranty. We will talk about this later. So you can see here now designed and engineered in India. And what's at the bottom, so yeah, this is basically the company's address, contact information. Let's take our main stuff. So yeah, I'm taking it out. So yeah, you can see here a warranty card. So this is basically your protection. You can submit your warranty information at this number by WhatsApping your card. So yeah, this is very easy, don't get worried. Or you can also do it with the official websites, Mivi.com. So yeah, I have done this before, so I will make a short video about this, how you can issue your warranty information. So let's move further. Take out our main stuff, that is our earphones. So let's take out this. So yeah, you can see here they had given a packet of extra earbuds in case if you lost that, or according to your size. So yeah, so let's take out this. We took this out. So you can see the wire quality is very good, strong. So yeah, this is basically microphone branding Mivi. Yeah, its wire is very good, and its plug-in is very good actually. It's L-shaped and it will with you for a very long time. Yeah, or you can see it's very light, no weight at all. You can fit this in your packet without any trouble. So yeah, I want to add some points about this. That previously the quality of wire was not good. I was using W1 version of Mivi rock and roll, but this version is very good. Everything is good. You can see a microphone port from where your voice will go. So yeah, this was all my review. Hope you liked this, and a key point for buyers who wanna buy this, that if you are looking for a budget earphones and you want quality also, then you can go for this definitely. Sure, and my 100% assurity that I had used this for a year. It's previous version, but I bought this and thought this will also work good, and I'm using this earphone for last 10 days and it's working awesome. So you can go for it definitely. Yeah, I know there's a lot more brands in market, but this one is in good price and its quality is good and it's Indian product. So yeah, you can go for this. Go for sure. So yeah, about this on Flipkart, I think 10 days ago, 10 or 15 days ago, I got this for 349. 349. Yeah, I will show you a receipt of that. So you can go now, order this. This is an offer. Please check out. I will give link of Flipkart in description box, so you can check out. And sorry for my other country viewers, because this is only available in India. If it will available maybe in future, then I will definitely inform you, so you can also enjoy this affordable, complete, trustable product. So final thank you for watching my review and unboxing. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends who wanted to buy and afford good and budget earphone.